party YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We got Prime Day coming, guys. So you might want to jump ahead of the curve and take a look at this and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item, since Father's Day is coming up and holidays and all that good stuff. A lot of parties, graduation parties. So if you don't know what to get somebody, this company will help. Cut this open. Oh boy. They packaged it pretty well. Operation time. Oh boy. Jeez. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright guys, it's coming from Etekcity. Smart Fitness Scale. Google Play or the App Store. We're going to use it on the iPhone. Bluetooth. Up to 400. Immediate readings. Here's the app. Here's the back. This is what it does. We have V-Sync Fit. Syncs with Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. BMR, fat-free body weight, skeletal muscle, metabolic age, body water, visceral fat, body fat, protein, BMI, bone mass, muscle mass. So they got everything. 13 such essential measurements. You take a look at the results. Unlimited users. Alright, let's set this thing up. Oh, it's been a long day, guys. Here we go. So, got the inside open. Got a QR code to scan. What is this? Oh, look at this. It's a, to measure your belly and stuff. Definitely after, this last year, you know, it's been crazy. Stuck at home a lot. It happens to the best of us. But, it's alright. Let's take a look inside. And there's a pull tab right there. Oops. Alright, see it's already starting up. Oh, that's a nice color. And it shows like how to brief warnings and stuff like that getting started. Place the scale on a hard flat surface. Slippery when wet. Automatic on. Step on it, turns on. Okay, well, we gotta go find the app. Just make sure your Bluetooth's on. All that good stuff. App Store. One thing about this phone. Try to find the App Store. There it is. And or a search called V-Sync Fit. I could do that. Search. V's. This is right there. Second one. And then it's going to be that one. Get it? download. And there we go. It'll take a second. So make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on. Follow the in-app instructions. It's probably going to ask your info, your height, stuff like that. Bluetooth, allow, next, centimeters or inches. I'm not sure if I still have one. Alright guys, I think I'm getting it right now. And turn them all on to make sure you allow them. And confirm. Valid height, centimeters, inches. I am 5'11", maybe 6'1", definitely 6'1". Firm. Here we go. You can step on it or I'm doing the setup. Oh, there it is. Etek. There we go. Whoa. Look at that. That is cool. See down here, it'll show you your weight, your BMI, your body fat, body water, and I'm sure, yeah, see your water weight, which includes blood, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for a good one, this is one to get, guys. Easy to use app, looks smooth. Put that down. So there you go. Check them out. Etekcity on Amazon. Be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.